Hey there, buddy. Stock Rock here. We made it through another week. Most of the indexes ended up down for the week, but I actually ended up green on my portfolio. I think it was because I dumped so much into Lucid last week at 1350, and it's had a crazy run since. I think I'm up 40% on what I put in at 1350, which is great, and helped me up this week. But yeah, there's still major bargains out there. But in this type of market, I'm not buying every day. I'm buying on red days on prices that I'm comfortable with. So like as an example, I love Airbnb, and I was buying it in 130s, in the 140s a lot, and it just had a great earnings. I love the company. It's going to grow crazy over the next 5-10 years. But I won't buy it under 110 because I feel like, okay, in this market, I think 110 is a good price for it, under 110. So I bought yesterday at 109, bought today at 109. And it's just about buying in prices that you're comfortable with. Now, I'm not going to keep buying at that. If it goes under 100, then I'll really, buy a little bit more than what I was anticipating to buy. Which is what it comes down to. Set yourself prices and things that you like. Now, I put so much into Lucid, I won't touch Lucid unless it goes under 15. I think this is going to be a 50, 60, $70 stock in the next couple years. Again, easy. It just ran up there, but it ran up on hype. But now, it has the fundamentals, it has the backing, it has, the Saudi, the factory coming, 100,000 order with the Saudis. They got so many great catalysts. Their AMP1 facility in Arizona is just, it's doubling capacity. They're gonna be able to produce 500,000 vehicles by the middle of this decade, which is crazy. And I love the car, I love the range, the tech, and Peter's all about renewable energy. The CEO, they got a great leadership team, tons of people from Apple. Just a great team. But I've built up my position, but now I won't buy any more of stocks unless it's a price that I can't say no to. So like I said, if Lucid goes under 15, I'm buying again because I know that it's going to be a 2x, 3x in the next couple years. To me, this is not financial advice. This is what I believe, and I won't touch SoFi again unless it goes back under in the fives, like low fives, because that's where I was buying it heavy at the past week. So I feel like, okay, that seemed like it tested the bottom, and I think there's plenty of value in it at a low five. I was buying the 8s, 9s, 10s, but my average is real low now because I went really hard last week on these certain stocks. But I'm not going to touch it. Let's go to the low fives again. I'm just setting, now I got skin in the game. I'm a long-term investor, so I'm not selling, taking tax losses. Most of my stocks that I have are green, because I've had them for years. But I'm not going to sell nothing. Okay, I'm holding on to everything I got, and I will add at a price that I can't say no to. That's where I'm at. If it's a price I cannot say no to, then I will add. If it's just, a normal day, no, I'm not going to add. I'm good. I got plenty of skin in the game, and I think, a lot of these stocks are being down. So I got so much skin in the game, I feel like when the run comes, I'm already good. But if it dips more, I will buy, but it has to be a price that I love, companies that I love, shares that I want to accumulate and build up. So that's just my thoughts on the week. It's just, you can't, it's been a fire pit, man. You're dumping money and it's a fire pit, and it sucks. But I love, these companies, and, being able to build up this portfolio has been a blessing to me, because in the long run, in the 5-10 years vision that I keep, these companies are going to be doing phenomenal. So now being able to accumulate more at a better price is great. It's going to be a blessing in the long run. It always has been. So, but yeah, that's just my thoughts right now. Like I said, if it's a price I can't deny and I got to add at it, okay. And I'm not going to go crazy just because it's under that price. I will add and then wait. And if it goes, drops another 10% or something like crazy like that, okay, maybe I'll add a little bit more. Keep building up these positions little by little. But yeah, it's just my thoughts, man. Keep your head up, keep investing in the companies that you love, that you truly believe in, and that you want to hold for the next 5-10 years, because these small dips are not going to make or break you, because this is a long-term vision. So, hey, thank you guys, man. I appreciate you. I hope everybody has a blessed weekend, spend some time with some family, get outside, do whatever you do, man. Just relax, enjoy yourself, and I'll catch up with you guys on Monday. Thanks.